So now let us look at question number 2a, exercise 16a of Lipen. So differentiation of cos 3 by x. Differentiation of cos 3 by x. So cos x minus sin x. So cos 3 by x is going to be minus sine 3 by x. Then you'll multiply by the differentiation of 3 by x. So it's going to be, so 3 by x will be what? Like x to the power minus 1 is, then if we differentiate it's minus 1 by x square. So it is minus 3 by x square. So ultimately this becomes 3 by x square sine, minus minus it becomes plus 3 by x square sine 3 by x. So this is question number 2a. Hope this is clear. Now question number 2c. Differentiation of sec x. So sec x actually is 1 by cos x. So I can actually write this as differentiation of cos x to the power minus 1. This is not cos inverse x. This is cos x to the power minus 1 by cos x. So we know what the differentiation of 1 by x or x to the power minus 1 is 1 by x square. So here you're going to have minus 1 by cos square x minus 1 by cos square x into differentiation of cos x, because you don't have x, you have cos x, so you'll multiply by the differentiation of cos x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, so it's going to be sin x by cos square x. This is perfectly fine, but you can actually write this in another form. So sin x by cos square x, this is what? This is 1 by cos x into sin x by cos x. So 1 by cos x is sec x and sin x by cos x is tan x. Okay, so these two problems are done. Now let's look at the last problem of this video. Question number 2e. Differentiation of cot 3x. So this actually I am going to do in two ways. So cot 3x, you can actually view this as 1 by tan 3x, that is differentiation of tan 3x to the power minus 1. So x to the power minus 1 differentiation minus 1 by x square. So you're going to have minus 1 by tan square 3x into differentiation of tan 3x, that is 3 sec square 3x. 3 sec square 3x. So ultimately you get 1 by tan square 3x, you can write it as cot square 3x. So minus 3 cot square 3x sec square 3x. This is the answer that is given in the book. So now let us try to do it in a different way. That is differentiation of cot 3x. Cot 3x, I can write this as cos 3x by sin 3x. So now I can actually apply the u by v rule or the quotient rule. So what do I get? Sin square 3x sin 3x, differentiation of cos 3x, so this is minus 3 sin 3x, then minus minus cos 3x, this term, into differentiation of sin 3x, so it will be 3 cos 3x. Ultimately I get, so if I look here, so this is sin square 3x, minus 3 sin square 3x, this is minus 3 cos square 3x. So if I take minus 3 common, I get sin square x plus cos square x. So it will become 1. So the answer is actually minus 3 by sin square 3x. At the same time, I can write it as minus 3 cosec square 3x. Okay. However, there might be some confusion regarding like why the answer is different. Actually, the answer is the same. We can show this very easily. For example, this expression cot square 3x, I can write it as, let me erase this part. Okay, no, let me do it just over here. So minus 3 cot square 3x is basically what? Cos square 3x divided by sin square 3x, and sec square 3x is basically 1 by cos square 3x. Cos square 3x. So cos square 3x, cos square 3x we cut, then the two expressions are the same.